28th. Well, here's your chance to set sail on a historic ship. Titanic, an immersive voyage, has just docked in Minneapolis. Adam Del Rosso and photojournalist Joe Van Ryan climbed aboard to show you what you can expect.
It is so much more than an exhibit. It's an experience.
It's a one-of-a-kind journey into the past. Titanic Immersive Voyage is an exhibition that immediately draws you in.
You get to step into the story of the Titanic through incredible recreations, artifacts, immersive technology, and interactive moments that really bring history to life.
More than 300 artifacts from the Titanic are on display, along with full-scale replicas and even several props from the 1997 James Cameron film. And the virtual reality section lets visitors walk through Titanic and see it like never before. For Cindy Wilson,
again, that human story is what pulls me in.
The experience is something she couldn't pass up.
I'd seen the exhibit when it was in Denver with a friend who lives there, and it was amazing, and the virtual reality experience was a lot of fun. And so I was kind of watching for it when it would get to Minneapolis.
More than a century later, the story of the Titanic still captivates.
She's been reading some books about the Titanic, and I've always found it fascinating.
I've been to Southampton, so I've been to the Titanic exhibit there. This is really, really well done.
Whether you're a history buff or just looking for something unforgettable to do, there is truly something here at Titanic, an immersive voyage for everyone.
In Minneapolis with photojournalist Joe Van Ryan, Adam Del Rosso, WCCO News.
The Titanic Immersive Voyage will be in the North Loop neighborhood of Minneapolis through November 29th. Tickets are $22.99, but they change based on